week week 4 personal assignment. This is the route.rest. This, if we run this by clicking this, it's going to show all the content. If we click this, it's going to show all the content. We have only 3 content, which is 1, 2, 3, and we also have this get by ID, but before we can get by ID, we have to get this ID. Let's say Tina, and let's close this. Let's go here and let's get by ID now. So you can see we can get Tina by ID, and we can also delete, and we can also insert. Let's insert this, which is a Clara in Italian language. Is the surname is Matteo, which is Matthew in English. We already insert with this ID. We get this now? Let's say we insert Clara. Let's search by ID Clara. Let's get Clara. This is Clara already inserted. How do we know Clara is already inserted? We can go to the database, and we can just do double click, and let's refresh. Let's do this. Okay, already load. Let's refresh. As you can see, Clara is already inside, and we can also update Clara by this ID. We can update Clara to Julia Matteo, and now the surname is Matteo. Let's update to Julia automatically. Let's check if it's updated with the ID now. Let's check. Let's close this. Let's check by ID. Okay, let's check. You can see it's updated to Julia. Let's check the backend. Let's refresh. Let's go again. Let's check. It is updated with Julia. Now let's delete. This is delete. Let's delete. No, this is update. Let's delete. Okay, this is delete. Let's delete here. Deleted. Let's check if it's deleted. Let's go back. Automatically it is deleted. We only have 3 now. 1, 2, 3. Deleted. Now let's test the Swagger. This is the local. As you can see, there's local. If we query the contact and try and get, you can see we only have the 3 in local. But now this is just to show you that local is working. Let's go back to the render. First of all, they always ask us to show the environment. I don't want to forget this week. This is the environment here. This is the key is working for the environment. This is the URL, as you can see here, week 4. And let's go back. This is the GitHub. I connected the GitHub with this, and also this is the local. If you refresh, you can see this is local. Local is working, but we want to use the online, which is this. And let's get all with online. As you can see here, is working. Let's try. Oh, it's working. You can see the 3 data. Now let's do something new. Okay. Let's post using this post. Okay, try. Good. Any? No. Let's post. Let's bring this in to Clara. Let's bring this in. We want to post. We want to remove this and put in this to Clara as the first, like what we did. Let's execute and see. Boom. You can see the ID. Don't forget to be looking at this URL. Is an online. Okay. Now let's check if we get it right. Let's check by call by ID. Let's check by call by ID using post. Using get by ID. Okay, let's execute. Yes, it worked. This is Clara, as you can see. Let's check the backend, which is database here. Okay, as you can see, it's Clara. Now let's also update with this. Let's go back. Let's clear. Let's close. Cause we already post. We already get by ID. Let's update, which is put. Let's go to try. Let's go by this ID. Let's bring it in. Let's bring Julia in now. Julia. Let's bring it in. Okay. In Italiano, Julian. And last name, which is the surname, is Mattia, which is Matthew in English. Okay, let's post. Oh, let's check if it's working. How do we check if it's working? Okay, let's check our response to 4. This is what we post in, and let's check if it's working. As you can see, Julia is updated. Remember, the first one was Clara, and the email was Clara also, but now it is not Julia. Now let's delete. Also use this ID to delete, right, so that everything can be done successfully. Okay, this is the delete. Let's delete. Try. Let's put it inside. Okay, let's execute. Fine. Okay. Now delete. Let's check if it's deleted. How do we know if it's deleted? We come here, we double click. Here we go back and check. We see 1, 2, 3. Now Clara, Julia, the updated one is off. And if we go back to query, let's query all and see what is going on. Let's query all, which is this get all. Let's try this. Let's execute. You can see we only have 3, which is 1, 2, 3. The one we inserted and the one we updated is gone. Thank you. That is all.